Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2012 Chrysler 300. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system. Originally, the car comes with 8-inch screen, navigation and everything. We are going to replace that one with 13.6 inches high definition screen. Let's talk about some of the hardware specification of the system first. This one's come with the PX6, the newest platform, and it comes with the 4GB of RAM, 64GB of the storage memory. You also come with a built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. This system also fully compatible with the original steering wheel control. You can see that, and also the original backup camera too. It also comes with the Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music, everything. So let's talk about the GPS first. It's also full touchscreen as well. This one comes with the built-in navigation system. The built-in navigation does not require any Wi-Fi or data to use the GPS. It's offline. It also comes with the traffic update as well. As long as you have the GPS antenna, this GPS antenna, of course, it will also be included in the package. How to use the navigation? Just click on the bottom right corner, and then new road, and then address, and then you can enter the address here. It also comes with the radio for sure. The sound quality is perfect, and this is the equalizer here. You can also click on the equalizer. It comes with the really advanced level of the 16 band of the equalizer, and this one also comes with the Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music, and Apple CarPlay as well. How to connect to the Wi-Fi? Just click on the setting, and then more setting, and then network, and then you can connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, then you can use the Netflix. You can watch the Netflix here. Of course, the Netflix is only for the passenger, not for the driver. So you also come the video in motion in this vehicle. You also come with the YouTube. In order to use all this kind of feature, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. You can also watch the movie here. And you can also copy the movie to the USB, and then you can play the movie from the USB as well. For example, like this.
This job requires stealth. I'm trying to save the world, which
so everything is fully compatible as well. Okay, you can also control the temperature from the touchscreen as well. You can see that. It also supports the heat seat, cooling seat. If you come with your car too, if you have the heating steering wheel, it also supports the heating steering wheel as well. Okay, so it also supports the backup camera too. This is the backup camera here. All right, I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay on this vehicle. So basically, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, Bluetooth right here, and then pair record, and then you can go to ceiling. Yeah, you will connect. For the first time, you might take a little bit while to pair. This is Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. You can also show up all the information here, like the navigation, Wi-Fi, and also the Google Map, Waze. You can also listen to the music, and this is the navigation right here. It's very nice. And you can also download any application to the system as well. You can also control all the features from the console. This is the console here. It's all the settings right here. If your car comes with the wing sensor setting and all the stuff is right here. It's fully compatible with all the original feature. This is really nice unit. And you can also download any application from the Google Play Store as well. This system can be purchased from our website, www.autotecpro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.